This is a new product from Neutrik. It's called the plug2PLUG. It's a very simple spring-like mechanism, but it's very, very clever. Simple idea, but very clever. It joins two mono jack plugs together, and it's basically a cheap but essential piece of kit that everyone can have in their bag for if your leads are too short and you've got two leads, 2 meters, you need 4 meters, they join together, makes a connection, and your mono jack plug works. I'll demonstrate how it does that in the next bit. Got two mono leads, Neutrik mono jacks on them. I'm just going to demonstrate how this little product works. Basically, got your jacks, simply insert the mono jack into one end, the other mono jack into the other end, and you just press, clips in place, and that's it. And you can't break that. There's a specific way of releasing it. So the idea is, you say that's two 2 meter leads, straight away you've got a 4 meter lead, a mono 4 meter lead, which can work. If someone trips over it, it won't break because there's a specific way of pulling it out, of you pushing it up, it breaks the clasp, and then you can release your leads. It's a very simple little product. Just push it in and slots into place like that. Pull it, clips out. Simple, very clever. And to prove that it works, we're going to use a cable tester and just show you that it actually does work. Going to prove that this connection works. Again, two mono jacks, locked into position, one lead, other lead, done. Nice little product from Neutrik. Simple, but very clever.